Hello friends, welcome back to my channel only presenting up the important points from the chapter circulation from 61 to 80. Point number 61. Broadly speaking, myocardial fibers are of three types: contractile, impulse generating and conducting. The fibers are embedded in a dense connective tissue which provides sites for origin and insertion of the contractile cells. Next, the endocardium has a structure similar to epicardium with a layer of flattened or squamous epithelium. It has its own basement membrane, a thin layer of loose connective tissue which lies on its outside. Next, the extracellular fluid of SA node has high concentration of sodium. Next, the nodal fibers have a negative charge on the inner side. Next, there is a strong tendency of sodium ions to enter the fibers through ion channels. As the membrane potential reaches -40 millivolts, calcium and sodium channels are activated, resulting in rapid entry of two ions and development of action potential. Point number 66. The SA node is ellipsoidal flattened strip of myogenic muscles of about 15 millimeters length, 3 millimeters width with 1 millimeter thickness. Next, the fibers from SA node are directly connected to the contractile fibers of the right auricle. An interatrial band conducts the impulses to the left auricle. Next, the velocity of impulse conduction via SA node is 0.3 meter per second. Next, three small bundles of connecting fibers connect SA to AV node. They are called as internodal pathways. Next, the AV node was discovered by Tavara in 1906. Point number 71. The AV node is a compact half-oval mass of myogenic fibers. Next, direct transmission of impulse from SA node to the ventricles is not possible due to absence of continuity of muscles between the atria and the ventricles and the presence of fibrous connective tissue of atrioventricular septum. Next, transmission from SA node stimulates the AV node to generate fresh impulses for the ventricles. Next, AV bundle or bundle of His traverses through atrioventricular septum into interventricular septum for 5 to 15 millimeters. Next, the bundle branches of His are insulated from surrounding contractile muscles by sheaths of connective tissue. Each branch produces a number of smaller branches which continue as myocardial fibers. Point number 76. Purkinje fibers are special muscle fibers present in the AV bundle, that is auriculoventricular bundle, its branches and the terminal strands which are in contact with the contractile muscles of the ventricular walls. They are large fibers. The rate of conduction of impulses is several times higher than other conducting fibers. This is important for simultaneous contraction of the two ventricles. Next, adrenaline, that is epinephrine, stimulates the nodal activity during emergency. Next, SA node is called as a pacemaker, whereas AV node is called as a pace setter. Next, the SA node is located in the superior lateral wall of right auricle near the opening of the superior vena cava. Point number 80. The AV node is present in the posterior septal wall of the right auricle near the opening of the coronary sinus. Friends, hope you are hanging on with all these videos that I've been posting. Keep studying with me. Do check with the playlist for the other chapters. Thank you so much.